A verdict in the trial of the man accused of killing Chicago police officer Andrés Vásquez Lasso.
We want to get right to our Sabrina Franza at the Cook County Courthouse. Sabrina?
Joe, Erica, they've only been debating about this for about an hour and a half now. The jury started deliberating around 3:10, and you know it's 5 o'clock now. They have not been speaking about this for very long, and as you mentioned, we now have a verdict that they will announce at 5:15 this afternoon. Just a few moments ago, family, friends of fallen officer Andrés Vásquez Lasso walked back up towards the courtroom, including his widow, his mother, and other family members. Now, what's interesting about this case, the defendant, Steven Montano, was charged with first-degree murder. Should he be found guilty of first-degree murder, now the jury has been considering possibly second-degree murder instead. All of that contingent on whether or not they believe that the defendant shot and killed Officer Andrés Vásquez Lasso because he believed he was acting in self-defense. Jurors heard closing arguments from both sides, a recap of 6 days of trial. Prosecutors replayed Officer Andrés Vásquez Lasso's body camera video, his final moments, adding, quote, "The last face that Andrés Vásquez Lasso saw on this earth, the defendant, Steven Montano, his killer, his angel of death." On March 1st, 2023, fallen Chicago police officer Andrés Vásquez Lasso responded to a domestic violence call in the Gage Park neighborhood. 37-year-old Linda Perea called 911, prosecutors say, because she believed her then 18-year-old boyfriend, defendant Steven Montano, was chasing her with a gun. Using body-worn camera video, surveillance cameras, and witness testimony, they showed Montano running from police until he and Officer Vásquez Lasso got to a school playground, and prosecutors say Montano shot and killed him. The defense argued that the defendant's previous experiences with police made him fear for his safety, though when Montano testified in his own defense, he admitted he heard the word "stop" as Officer Vásquez Lasso pursued him, but that he didn't know that an officer was behind him. Prosecutors showed jurors Officer Vásquez Lasso's uniform and revisited video showing his squad car, the lights, the size of it. They said it was, quote, "hard to miss." The defense countered, quote, "I'm not blaming Officer Vásquez Lasso. What I'm saying is that there was a better way that this could have been handled." Now, of course, second-degree murder carries a much lesser sentence recommendation than first-degree murder. Second-degree murder carries 4 to 20 years. First-degree murder, 20 to 60 years, and even more natural life if the police officer element is added to that. In just about 10 minutes, we'll find out what the jury has decided. Live at the Cook County Criminal Courthouse, Sabrina Franza, CBS News, Chicago.